everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Real quick, I'm just doing a video of Ian doing his thing up in the window of the stairwell of Maxwell's attic bedroom. It's gotten really hot, and this is one way that we have cooled down in this tremendously hot weather. This is what my husband has done for business, and I just thought, oh, it's so interesting. I always find it interesting. I had shown it before in our other house. So it's just a little silly video of what Ian does for work, amongst other things, up in Maxwell's stairwell. And yeah, Maxwell's helping him. So hope you have a lovely day, folks. This is just a little video from the Trueloves. All right, see ya. Bye-bye. I'm up on the 3rd floor in Maxwell's room, and as you can see, here's his sticker door. There's Maxwell down there. What we're doing right now is, Maxwell will actually explain it. Maxwell, what are we doing?
We're putting film on the windows.
We're putting window film. I've done a video with my husband before. His job has, the bread and butter of our living in this country has been putting window film on properties, windows. Now, I don't know if you can see this. My husband has already done one window, okay? These 3 windows have not been done. It's a solar control window film. I think I did a video at the our other house when he did all of the
which house?
He did at Davis Grove.
Okay.
Yeah.
House.
Remember he did the patio doors, the sliding doors, the sliding windows?
Oh yeah, I helped him with that.
Yeah, you helped them. So Maxwell is Aunt's helper, although you have installed film, haven't you?
I have installed film. I mainly installed this, like, film called frost film. It's for like bathrooms.
Right, so it's like a privacy film.
Oh yeah, that is privacy film, but it's just super sticky.
Yes.
That one.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah. So you've done that on some of the apartment buildings. This is Maxwell's stairwell up to the 3rd floor. As you can see, it's a proper 3rd floor stairwell. And this is Maxwell's little apartment up here. This is one of the large windows, dormer windows, that really has blasted. Excuse you?
Sorry.
Say excuse me?
Excuse me.
Yeah, go on then.
It probably got at like 90 degrees up, walking up to here.
Yeah.
And my air conditioner, what's actually running right now, is really working hard to cool down the area. Yeah, it is struggling up here in this attic space. It's very well insulated. I made a video before. Yeah. Hey, Mom, open that door.
Oh no, no.
What happens when you open that door?
Yeah, this is this door here. Maxwell's room is in here. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but this door here goes all the way through Maxwell's room. This is a closet. Lots and lots of storage in this house on the 3rd floor. Fantastic amount of storage. But as we were saying, this stairwell gets incredibly hot. This is an afternoon facing window. So here is Maxwell's Hot Wheels wall. Have you seen it before? And my husband, he's just going down to cut some film. What this does is reduces the, what is it, the 99% UV? 65%
of the heat.
Of the heat.
I'm not sure what about the glare.
Yeah, and the glare. So this will really help reduce all of the heat loss up in this hot attic space. We do have an air conditioner and 2 fans running, and it's really going to help. And our energy bills for this large house, well, actually, it's amazing. Our electric bill last month, now not with the air, well, the air conditioner is running half the time, was $150.
Yes, with
shocking.
How many loads of laundry? Like 3?
Yeah, we did laundry. I got rid of the dishwasher, but it's amazing, the electric bill. So here's Ian coming up with the film, and of course up on a ladder. Oh my word.
Yep, up on a ladder as always.
Yep. And he's going to be putting this film on. Ian uses the white gloves because he's had just a slight reaction to the, it's just soap and water actually.
Dawn dish soap.
Dawn dish soap.
Using baby shampoo.
Yeah, you should be using the baby shampoo, but we didn't have any right now. So Ian's pre-cut the film, and it's not a glue on the backing.
It chemically bonds to the glass.
Right. So here's the film. It has a backer that he has to pull off. He wets the window with the water and soap, just a water and soap solution. Soapy water.
A lot of soapy water, that's what
This is pulling the backing off of the film. What is this film made of, Ian?
It's polyester layers impregnated with what's known as sputter coated metal. There's a machine that fires off of a base block of alloy metal. I think they fire lasers, and it causes tiny metallic particles to embed in the polyester. And there's also embedded in the polyester are UV inhibitors, which don't degrade with time. Unlike window tints, this will last indefinitely.
We've had this film, again I made a video of it, we've had this film on the houses we have lived in, and our sons have had it in their numerous homes. When you have, our one son, Jean-Pierre, had a new construction home, and they didn't live there very long, and they called, Daddy, can you come and put film on? Actually, our son Elliot went down for a few days and did his whole house, filmed the whole house, and the difference in the energy consumption, or lack thereof, and the heating bills and the energy bills is absolutely significant. So, as I said, this has been one of our main sources of income over the years, to put it on mostly residential buildings, although we have gotten large commercial jobs. Yeah. Our biggest, the biggest job about 20 odd years ago was J&J headquarters in, where was that, in New Jersey?
New Brunswick.
New Brunswick and New Jersey. Ian and the boys put the film on all of the windows on their main headquarters. Big job.
I heard that we used Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo to make the soap for the application. They gave us free Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo.
Yeah.
They gave us the job just because we used.
Just because you used the baby shampoo. And you sold it because you were so charming. Because that was a big job. That came up with a couple other competitors, and Ian got the job, and our boys did that. As you can see, this is Maxwell's stairwell.
Maxwell Sheffield stairwell.
Maxwell Sheffield.
Eventually this entire hallway will be filled with Hot Wheels.
And Maxwell's Hot Wheel walls, as you can see. Wow, it looks awesome, Maxwell. It really looks super. Now Ian's carding it.
Is this a sales video?
Yeah, it is a sales
Because
video.
if it's a sales video, I should tell everybody that this is a lifetime warranty,
Right.
labour and materials, direct from Eastman. You remember Eastman Kodak? They're a massive international corporation that bought us some years ago, Eastman, and their warranty is transferable one time because this product lasts provably such a long time. They not only give a lifetime warranty, that's as long as anyone's alive and in their house, but it's transferable to the next owner.
Awesome.
Unheard of.
Yeah.
Unheard of. No other manufacturer of these products can match the performance and the warranty of Vista window film, which is what it's called. About 30%.
Yeah.
It was about 30% of our business each year was taking off failed window tints, where the clients had got in touch with us hoping that they had tinted their windows indefinitely, forever, and yet window tints generally have a finite life.
They bubble, they crack, and
Craze,
they craze.
laminate.
And this product doesn't. Now I don't know if you can see right now the difference between the greenery out here and the greenery there. You might think, oh, I don't want it to obscure my view. What it does, it enhances the view.
It's like putting on expensive sunglasses.
Right.
Polarized.
Beautiful, really expensive sunglasses, cutting down on that glare. Oh, please be careful, Ian. Oh, mate. Oh, jeez. Maxwell.
I'm getting no younger.
No, you aren't getting younger. You're getting older every day.
What?
Flipping heck, Ian. You're still up on ladders. Please be careful. My old husband. No, careful, careful. Okay, Maxwell, you want to give Daddy that?
No, I'm not ready.
Oh, no,
I've
of course
cleaned
not.
this.
Sorry.
It's not been cleaned, and
Yeah.
I'm nearly out of soapy water. What we have is a special tool that scrapes with a stainless steel blade the surface of the glass. Normal window washing does not get the electrostatically clinging particles on glass, doesn't get them off. But this wonderful Danish stainless steel blade cleans perfectly without scratching the glass. You get paint and all sorts of construction debris off with these stainless steel, very fine, thin blades.
So in addition to having the film put on, the client's windows get immaculately cleaned. And again, there's been a sort of a small byproduct of homeowners who say, oh my goodness, can you clean the outside of my windows? And some of our entrepreneurial boys have gone, yeah, sure.
When they were younger.
When they were
now got
younger.
their own
Yeah.
big companies.
Yeah, but now the homeowners realize that the windows, there can't be a speck of dust to put this, oh, thank you, Maxwell. There can't be a speck of dust to put the film on, because it would inhibit the film. So that the windows have to be immaculately clean. You okay, Maxwell?
Yeah. Gucci.
I just think it's amazing. I'm always amazed at this product. Again, people think, oh no, I don't want that. It'll make my windows, it'll make it too dark. And as you can see, it's not dark. It enhances it. It's fantastic. And we're standing here now. And I can actually feel the difference. I can feel the difference. Ian put it in our kitchen window, because when we moved into the film, Maxwell, thank you. When we moved into the house, the kitchen didn't have it on, and boy, oh boy, that hot afternoon sun was blaring. And I said, oh please. So we did that several weeks ago.
I can feel it now.
You can feel it, can you?
You can't do this with the cheap tints.
No, you can't.
You can't drop the film like that.
Yeah, I think that's so cool. Oops, Maxwell, babe. Sorry.
That's
sorry.
nice. Ow!
It comes off this one easier.
Yes, if that was frost film, that would be a nightmare.
So Ian's just tacked that top one up. But if you can see the difference between the greenery on the bottom and the greenery on the top. Now when it's done, I'm going to click off now, but when it's done, you just see the bright, lovely greenery. You don't see the difference. That's the whole thing. You can see the difference as the film is being put on.
Well, when it's all done, it's uniform.
It's completely uniform and it's completely...
We do whole homes for professionals who will leave us in the morning and they'll come back in their 2-story family room at lunchtime. They'll come back and say, well, why haven't you done the family room? It's already done.
It's done. And then when they really look, they go, oh my goodness, and feel the difference. Anyway, this has not been a paid promotion for Vista Window Film. But I'm always amazed, and we're so thrilled for Maxwell. You pleased, Maxwell?
Don't.
Are you thrilled, Maxwell?
Hold on.
Say yes.
Yes, I am.
He's coming with his
He's putting his because Ian takes Maxwell, and he's. Let's see your Vista Window Film. I don't really come here. I don't want to film your messy room. So here is. Turn around.
Hold that, Maxwell.
Vista Window Film. There you go. Maxwell's working uniform when he goes and helps Daddy.
Dad, would you want to like get another set of Vista Window Film shirts, just like how Spartan has it?
Yeah, you need some new shirts.
Yeah, do you want
Is there something on the back of that?
do you want to split?
On the back of the
No,
shirt?
it's
It's not like Spartan. Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, it's not like our
I
other.
wish it was like Spartan.
Yeah, and when you go, try to look
Maxwell,
professional.
Can you split that film for me? I can't split it with these gloves on.
Yeah, Daddy's. So, there you go, folks. That is what Ian is up to today. Thank you, Ian.
You're welcome. I'll send you the bill.
Bye-bye, everybody.